As we move into the new year, many of you are looking for ways to trim that fat off of your belly. Here are 5 of the best fat-burning foods that help burn fat naturally. Carrots. The beta-carotene in carrots converts to vitamin A and helps in reducing belly fat, particularly visceral fat. Cucumber, which is 95% water and contains fiber, can help the body get rid of toxins and speed up metabolism. Radish, this superfood, detoxifies the liver, making it a key part of how the body turns fat into energy that you can use. And spinach. The thiocalones in spinach improve its fat-burning capabilities. In broccoli sprouts, the sulforaphane in broccoli sprouts boosts liver function. And here's the secret. Your liver is your source for burning fat. Now, if your liver is clogged and unable to do its job properly, you won't lose weight no matter what you do and how many personal trainers you hire. Now, adding these foods into your daily diet will help to improve your life.